Welcome back to our channel Rise and Shine. And we are seeing the story of Satya Harishchandra. Yes, in yesterday's episode, we saw that the king sold himself and paid the entire amount to the rishi. And in today's episode, let us see what all hardships the queen and her son faced in the Brahmin's house. The queen did not speak a word. She did not, yes, find fault with her husband for selling them to that Brahmin, but she obediently went with the Brahmin. The queen and her son worked there in their Brahmin's house like servants. They were ill treated by the Brahmin and his wife, but still they did all the work obediently. The queen cooked food and she also had to fill the water from the well, and she had to do so much of work. She had to clean the floors. She had to do all sorts of work. She had to massage the legs of the wife of the Brahmin, and she did all that work without even complaining. So, who will she complain about? She was a queen once, but now she is a servant of a Brahmin. Now, see, children, one day the queen sent her son to bring firewood. Yes, look at the queen and the son had to sleep on floor. They had to do all sorts of work, and the boy also helped his mother. Just they had to lie down on the floor. And children, one day the queen asked her son to go and get firewood from nearby. So the son went to bring firewood from the nearby gardens. But there he was bit by a snake. A snake came there and bit the boy, and the boy fell down dead. Yes. And her mother, his mother, came and saw him dead because she was waiting for him for a long time, but he did not return. Even the sun had set, but he did not return. So the queen came there to find her son dead. Yes, children, see how much they were facing the hardships, but they did not complain. They did not tell that she was a queen or he was a king, so they will not do that work and all. But they had to face all the hardships silently. So, in today's episode, we saw how much they suffered. Let us see in tomorrow's episode what all hardships Raja Harishchandra met with in this as a cemetery guard. Okay, children, bye. Stay safe, all of you. Bye. Love you all.